Today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite tools that I just really can't live without. The first product, it's the holy grail of cotton cleaning, the pineapple cotton grabber. The next is the cuticle protector tape. Seriously, if you enjoy doing nail art, it's a perfect product to kind of keep around. Going on to the next, who doesn't like having 2 options in one? Basically 2 size stamper heads in one. So this is the 4th product. I am showing you guys this really cute dotting tool set, but it also has detailing brushes, and it comes in this really nifty case too that you can just take it wherever you need to. My last product, because I couldn't get them individually, I decided to choose the trio. Right here is a straight up black and the BAM white. Also with this trio, you get this must have, and the smudge free top coat just helps to seal in your design. So those are my top 5.